Hello, everyone. My name is Maria Zhekova, and I work as an assistant in University of Food Technology, Department Computer Systems and Technology. Today, I will present you my research. The topic of my research is creating a Python script to recognize user gesture. Our study presents research and development of a Python script that uses a computer vision webcam to recognize hand gestures and mimic mouse movements in two different environments, offline on a local computer and online on a web browser. Our purpose is to make the computer easier to use for people with limited physical abilities by providing a natural and convenient way to interact with the computer system. Working with the computer information system involves interacting with input devices such as mouse, keyboards, and touchscreen, which often require habit and evaluation effort on the part of users. The registration and analysis of human gestures and capture of their statements are priority in the work of scientists in the field of computer vision. The chosen approach, our approach, does not rely to large-scale repositories of digital images, does not segment objects from the image background, has no requirements, and it's not affected by environmental factors. To structure the work in the field to date, a lot of criteria can be used to more easily define the goal, algorithm, and grouping to approaches with similar characteristics. Some characteristics can be used to classify them, such as dynamic versus static, single or set of images, rule-based versus non-rule-based, two-dimensional vs three-dimensional, presence and numbers of additional sensors, single hands or multiple hands, passive versus a real-time system. Motion capture techniques can be grouped into four main categories according to the principle of operation: optical, mechanical, inertial, and magnetic. Several tools and means and libraries we use for creating our gesture recognition tools, such as we choose for environmental, for coding, Visual Studio Code, the language we choose Python, and supporting libraries, Python libraries such as Python Package Index, PyInstaller, NumPy, Tinker, Custom Tinker for interface, Python Imaging Library, Time, MediaPipe, and Open Source Computer Vision Library. The hand tracking module we use for real-time hand recognition from web camera. After initializing the available webcam and hand detector, the hand tracking module algorithm includes the following steps in each of its iteration. First, hand tracking module reads a frame from the webcam, then use the hand detector to find the recognized points in the frame's hand. If there are recognized points in the hand, print the coordinates of a given point in the console. Calculates how many frames are processed, frame per second, displays the image on the screen, and the cycle repeats for the next frame. Hand tracking module allows visualizing hand point coordinates in the console. A hand detector class, as you can see, has been created to detect or track hands. When creating an object of the hand detector class, various configuration parameters of the hand detection system were initialized. As you can see, these parameters are modes, max hands, model C, detection cone, and track cone. This is hand detection mode, max number of hands to be detected, complexity of the hand detection model, hand detection threshold, and hand tracking threshold. After initialization, objects from the media pipe library are created to detect hands. This is self hands. And to draw the result, this is self MP draw. According to the described algorithm, the find hands method, as you can see on your screen, calls the hands detection model from media pipe and render the result of a given image. Initially, the find hands function accepts an image to perform hands detection. Then the image is converted to RGB color space. The process method detects hand in the image. The result contains information about how many hands are discovered. If there is more than one hand detected, the program enters a loop that goes through all the detected hands. For each hand in the draw parameter, if the draw parameter is true, the method uses draw landmark method to draw the outlines of the image, of the hand of the image. This is done by supplying the coordinates of the hand points and connection between them. Finally, the method returns the modified image tool in which the exposed hands are drawn. The find position method, as you can see, takes the image from the image on which to search for the hand position. The following two additional parameters are created, hence no, and draw parameters. Hence no specifies the index of the hand position, default is first hand. Draw parameters control whether to draw the hand point on the image. This method finds the position of the points on the hand on the frame and returns them as a list of position, returns post list finally. The main function, as you can see, allows the program to continuously fetch frames from the webcam, to find hands in them, to visualize the results in real time by displaying the current frame per second on the screen. For the purpose of our experiment, the gesture recognition script was tested in two different program environments, online, in web browser, and locally on your operation system, on our operation system. First experiments conducted in a discussion website, which previously created by us again. This environment provides a convenient way to control the cursor and perform action using gesture recognition. We use, for example, these three models. First of them, users can move the mouse cursor around the screen by holding up the index and middle finger side by side, with the rest of fingers are curled. With the simultaneously movement of these two fingers to the by screen, the cursor moves in the desired direction. The second picture describes left mouse click at the current position by raising index finger, only index finger, or users can mimic left mouse gestures. The third pictures expect three fingers raised side by side and at the same time, index, middle, and ring fingers. I'm sorry. Optimal gesture recognition and precise mouse control in a web environment provide a user experience that is natural and efficient to control without using a mouse or a touchpad. For the purpose of our experiments in a local environment, we create simple desktop application, again by us, to demonstrate the operation of the application in the isolated local environment. As you can see, there are different controls, selected option and radio buttons, and ticks and buttons. This allows users to take advantages of keyboard functionality without having to use a physical keyboard. Users can perform various commands, pressing key, entering text, selecting options, and etc. Experimental results showed outstanding performance of the gesture recognition script in window management, in an offline desktop environment, and in navigation in an online web environment. The advantages of our application over standards method are numerous. Our application provides a natural and intuitive interaction with the computer. The users can control the system by hand gestures in real time, just like in the real world. This can reduce the need for additional devices and facilitates users who have difficulty with standards control methods. In conclusion, I can say that our research presents as in-depth study, designs, and development of an intuitive software tool that uses a web camera to recognize hand gesture in real time. Its purpose is to make computer easier to use by providing a convenient way to interact with the computer system. Many tests and experiments was proved that the following accurately recognize human and hand gestures and mimic the movements of a computer mouse when managing window in an offline and online environment. The created gesture recognition tool could find application in fields such as robotics, virtual and augmented reality, diagnostics in medicine, clinical research, the automotive industry, interactive learning through virtual experiments, and serve as assistive technology for disabled people. Thank you very much for your attention.